Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, Picky PT, and I am here today at Iron Keel Gym in Kemah, Texas to show you how to be picky about how you use leg extension machines. So this one looks a little different because it's got resistance that can be changed from one side versus the other, but any machine that you could then push out and straighten your knees against, that is what I'm talking about here when I say leg extension machine, okay? So one of the biggest issues that I have with this machine and what I see at the gym is when people do this, I'll see them straighten their legs all the way out and squeeze their knees to perfectly straight. The reason that I don't like that is because in your knee joint, when your knee is completely straight, the bones are closest together and you have the least amount of space, natural space in the joint. I'm not saying that it's going to cause you arthritis, but it could lead to early onset arthritis if you continue to do it that way. So instead, I tell people, I want you to straighten, but keep a little bend in your knees. Don't ever fully straighten it all the way. I also encourage people when they're doing leg extension machines to straighten as quickly as you want to, but then lower very slowly, because we want to take full advantage of this machine and get not only concentric strength, but eccentric strength as well. Concentric strength being the shortening of the muscle as you extend the leg, and eccentric strength being the lengthening of the muscle as you lower, okay? If you lack eccentric strength, then you will not be able to control how quickly you lower the bar down. Instead, it would look more like this. Oh my gosh, I can't control it. So it's important to strengthen in both ways with this machine. It's important to not straighten your knees all the way. And if you're still struggling with knee pain when you're using this machine at the gym, make sure to contact a neuromuscular expert, a physical therapist, to help you figure that out, and continue to like and subscribe this channel in order to learn even more about your own body and how to move it most efficiently.